Meet the eMaint Vendor Portal, your solution for optimizing work orders for external vendors. Vendor Portal gives contractors limited access to eMaint so they can easily complete their work orders, log their work hours, and add comments, documents, and photos as they go. Schedule and manage work orders easily. You can see everything you need to on your side, but your vendor will only see their scheduled work and work orders. Perfect for organizations maintaining production and facility equipment or conducting regular safety inspections. Experience reduced manual entry, improved work completion rates, and centralized vendor documentation that increases accountability while strengthening relationships. Plus, gain powerful insights into historical data and trends, so you can perform a clear cost analysis and simplify vendor management decisions. Save time, save money, and boost efficiency with eMaint Vendor Portal.